With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here says Parthenocarpy is induced by which of the following plant hormones? Okay. Now, what do you mean by Parthenocarpy? It is a natural or an artificial method by which fruits are produced without fertilization. Okay. It is a natural or artificial method by which fruits are produced. Okay. Fruits are produced without fertilization. What happens without fertilization? Now, what happens? These fruits are basically seedless. These fruits are basically seedless. Now, which hormone does it, what happens? Which hormone does induce our production of our, if we see, our parthenogenesis, or we say, parthenocarpy. Let us see the first option, that is ABA. Now, what is this ABA? It is our abscisic acid. What it is? It is abscisic acid. Okay. It is also known as, it is abscisic acid. Now, how does it abscisic acid helps? It helps in speed up the dormancy of seeds. Okay, what it is functions is, it speeds up the dormancy of seeds. Functions also, it can stimulate the closing of stomata and stop transpiration. Okay, closing of stomata. These are the important function. And also we can say these hormones hinder seed generation. Okay, it hinders seed generation and induce, we can say these basically induce leaf senescence, that is leaf senescence and abscission. Okay, it induces leaf senescence and abscission. So this option is wrong. It does not induce our parthenocarpy. Now we come to auxin. Okay, now auxin, what it does, auxin does what happens, auxin does what it does, it induces our parthenogenesis. Okay, it induces our parthenogenesis. What it does basically, it changes the unfertilized ovary into fruit. Okay, it changes the unfertilized ovary into fruit. Okay, so this is our auxin. Auxin also helps in our cell division, expansion, and growth. So our correct option is auxin. Now let us see the other options, zeatin and cytokinin. Now what happens in the case of zeatin? Okay, zeatin zeatin is basically our derived from our cytokinin, or we can say it is a cytokinin, and it was discovered in our immature corn kernels. Okay, now what it does, if we see the function of this zeatin, it facilitates the growth of lateral buds. Okay, what it does, growth of lateral buds, it facilitates the growth of lateral buds. Now what happens when these are spread on our meristem, this triggers the cell division. Okay, this triggers the cell division. This triggers cell division when it is sprayed on our meristem. It triggers cell division, which is helps in our production of our bushier plants. Okay, so this option is also wrong. Now we come to the last option, that is our cytokinin. Okay, what is the cytokinin? Let us see. Okay, what do we get in cytokinin? Cytokinin is majorly, as a name suggests. Okay, cytokinin. Okay, as a name suggests, the cytokinin is basically regulate the cytokinesis processes. Okay, now these hormones are basically we can find in our young fruits, root apices, and shoot buds. Now if we see the function, these also promote, like zeatin, it also promote the growth of lateral buds. Okay, it promotes the growth of lateral buds. Now this also help in overcoming apical dominance. Okay, it also helps to overcome apical dominance. Now this apical dominance is a, what happens is apical dominance is regulated by our auxin. Okay, now cytokinin exists then overcome apical dominance, so it acting against our auxin. Now we can also see that also helps in formation of our we can say stimulating chloroplast formation in leaves. Okay, it helps in chloroplast formation in leaves. chloroplast formation in leaves. This is our functions of cytokinin. And if we see options here, this also does not induce parthenocarpy, so this option is also wrong. So our correct option is option number 2, auxin.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.